pretty nervous about this, I'm not gonna lie. Today's job's a little bit different than what I'm normally posting about. We're down here in Virginia, working at a radio station that's this building right here. And we're gonna be building an antenna up there on the rooftop. This is the mount. You see I got the strap on there, it's all rigged up and ready to go. Then there's these 4 trays that are going to attach to each of these legs, and then our pallet of cinder blocks. And the cinder blocks will end up going into the trays, you know, to secure the mount so it doesn't move around. Anyways, let me go up to the roof and show you what we have going on.
This here ladder almost killed me today. You see this wire?
That wire? Okay.
Caught the ladder I was carrying.
Caught the ladder.
I almost fell to my death.
So this is the antenna that we're going to be taking down. We're going to cut that mount off at the roof level, and then the new mount will sit where these mats are placed. This one will end up going a little bit further up. This is the antenna that we built yesterday, and I'll show you guys a quick time lapse of that in just a second here. But it wasn't too bad to put together. There's 8 panels. That was probably the hardest part, getting these panels up to the roof, carrying them up the ladder one by one. So now we're just waiting on the crane to get here. I guess I should have mentioned that. That's what's going to be bringing up all that equipment and material down there. We'll rig that antenna, then we'll cut it loose. We'll have the crane take it down, and then we'll bring up the new mount. After that mount gets up here and it's in place, we'll pick this antenna up and sit it on the mount, and then we'll bring up all the cinder blocks. I guess the only thing I'm a little concerned about is the wind today. Like I mentioned, we're pretty close to the water. You can see the river over that way in the distance. There's 25-mile-an-hour wind gust. So hopefully when we pick that sucker up, we can make it quick and sit it right on the mount, because it'll be a kite. We ended up having to shut the road down. There was a decent amount of traffic coming through here this morning, but it slowed down a little bit. It's after 10 o'clock, so hopefully we can make these picks go pretty quick, get the road open back up. All right, here comes the first pick. Ooh. She got some wind. All right, we had to get a tagline on that. With the wind, it was starting to go all over the place. Now we're going to grab this second guy. material down there, directing that, make sure it doesn't hopefully go through that storefront window. Looking good. Oh, here comes the mount. Look at that rigging though, it looks pretty good. Hanging pretty straight. Okay, so we got the mount up and it's put together. The next step is to bring up the power to block. That's the heaviest lift so far. All right, now's the fun part. Hopefully this thing's all right. that's it, guys. We got it all put together, the blocks and all the trays. I aligned the antenna to point at the right satellite dish. You guys let me know what you think of this. I know most of the people who watch my channel are probably watching it for hardscaping and excavation videos. I've been involved with telecommunication type work for the past decade, and I do it pretty regularly. I just don't usually film it because I didn't think there was a big interest for it. But I figured since we had a crane here, that this job, you know, some people might find pretty cool. So let me know what you think in the comments below. You know, if I should include work like this from time to time. Getting that antenna on this pole was probably the most nerve-wracking part. There's 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts today, and I'm sure you can imagine that this thing catches some serious air. But as usual, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.